In this video, I'm going to show you how to dropship using Zendrop on Shopify. To dropship using Shopify and Zendrop, first open your browser and in the search bar type Zendrop and hit enter. Click the Zendrop website link. This will take you to the official Zendrop website. Here, in the middle of the page, left-click the Get Started button. After clicking, you will be taken to a login page. Enter your name, email, and password. Then hit enter. You will be taken to the official Zendrop dashboard. Here, you can set up and manage all your dropshipping, including Mini Shopify. On the main page, you have three options to choose from. You can connect an existing store, claim a store, or make your own store. For this example, we will go with the third option. Left-click on it and then left-click the Continue button at the bottom. Then, left-click Proceed to Shopify button to go to Shopify. A new tab will open up. Here, you need to enter your email address in the box next to the free trial button. After entering the email address, hit the free trial button and you will be taken to set up your Shopify account. After setting up the account in Zendrop, you can find products by left-clicking the Find Products tab in the navigation bar. Below that, you have the Your Products tab. Here, you have all your dropship products. Below that, you have the Orders tab. You can see all your orders and revenue here.